Exercise 6.3 third problem. See here. Third one. So the question is given diagonals AC BD of the trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to CD. So trapezium is given that in such a way that ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. Intersect diagonals will intersect at a point of O. Already we have solved it at a point O. Using the similarity criterion of the two triangles, show that OA by OC is equals to OA by OC is equals to OB by OD. Okay. Already it is looking like the problem what we have solved it. So, but here using the similarity criterion, it is asking you to do here. What you, when you are writing the steps, proper steps, with the proper steps, I am going to explain to you. What is given here? Given AB is parallel to CD. This is given to us. AB is parallel to CD is given to us. And two triangles to be taken into consider, in which if you observe that this angle will be equal to this angle and this angle will be equal to this angle. Why? Because these two angles. So what are the two triangles you are taking into consider? Triangle AOB and triangle COD. Two triangles we are taking. In this triangle AOB, angle AOB is equals to in this angle COD because vertically opposite angles. They are vertically opposite angles. So now here it is given that AB parallel to CD. So this angle will be equals to this angle because they are alternate angles. Angle OAB is equals to angle OCD because alternate angles. Like this reason you need to write here alternate angles. So two angles of the one triangle are equal to the corresponding angles of the another triangle. Therefore, you can say that the two triangles are similar by AA. Is not necessary to mention. So by simply you can write AA similarity criterion. Triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. When these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. Two triangles are similar means their corresponding sides are in proportion. So corresponding sides means what do you get here? OA by OC is equals to OB by OD. So this is only asking you to do. Actually, this will be equals to AB by CD also. Is equals to AB by CD also, but AB by CD is not necessary to us to mention particularly here. इधर मेंशन करने का जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, is it clear to you? So simple problem here. So yeah, this is a very simple problem, but this trapezium related problems we have solved. The same problem we have solved using the in the previous exercise also you are having 6.2 exercise maybe home. Okay, so fourth problem you see here, each and every problem compulsory diagram you need to write here. Okay, draw the diagram drawing is compulsory here. So this is like this, a triangle is given to you, T Q R, and here the point P is given to you, and P to S and to the R, and here this angle is measured to named as a angle 2, and here the angle 1 is given. So what is given in this problem here? Given that QR by QS, QR by QS is equals to QT by PR, QT by PR. See, you can observe QR by QS is equals to QT by PR is given to PR is given QT by PR, and angle 1 is equals to angle 2. So here, whenever you see that, the question is asking to us to prove the triangle PQS is similar to triangle PQR. These two triangles similar, it is asked. So you concentrate on the triangle PQS, PQR. So ये छोटा triangle है, बड़ा triangle. So when you see that ये दोनों इंटरचेंज कर लिया है, तो QR by QT is equals to QR by QT. मैं QT इधर लिख दिया, QS इधर लिख दिया, QS by PR लिख दिया. If you are taking QR by QT, QR by QT. Otherwise, you can keep it as it is. QR by QS ही ले लो. QR by QS is equals to QT by PR ले लिया. But instead of the PR, if we are having the QP, PR का प्लेस में QP होता है, तो then the two triangles, whatever it is given to you, are the two triangles are similar. Why? Because QR by QS, QR by QS. QR means separately ले लो, वो triangle PQR ले लो here. Like if you are getting confused, PQR, another triangle is PQS. QR by QS. QR by QS is equals to QT by PQ होना और Q, but it is given to you PR, isn't it? So what can we do here? So we need to have the, it is not given to you, and apart from that, this angle is common angle for both the triangles, but it is given angle 1 equal to angle 2. This angle is what you may not get the idea that सर ये वो एंगल इस ट्रायंगल में दूसरा एंगल होगा PQR में, ये एंगल, this angle is completely not there in both the triangles. Angle 2 is not at all there here in both the angles, both the triangles. Angle 2 is not there here. This is not angle 2, this is not angle 2. But angle 2 is equal to angle 1 is given. So what to do? You may not get the idea. But here if you observe that in triangle PQR triangle, consider a triangle. So like this, I am drawing the another triangle PQR. In this triangle, here angle 2 is there, here angle 1 is there. In angle 1 is equals to angle 2 implies ये angle equal to ये, इसका opposite sides are equal. PR length is equals to QP. PR length is equals to QP. So we can replace the PR with the QP. Why? Because reason is sides opposite to equal angles. So I am taking the triangle PQR. In the PQR triangle, this angle equal to this angle is given. So this side equal to this side angle. Now here you can replace PR का place में QP replace कर सकते हैं. This implies QR by QS is equals to QT by QP, and angle TQR. If you want getting confused here I have angle TQR is equals to angle PQS. Why? Because this is common angle. So two sides of the one triangle and included angle are equal to the corresponding, means two sides are corresponding sides are in proportion and their included angle is equal. So therefore you can say by SAS criterion, triangle, what is a triangle? TQR is similar to triangle PQS. This is only asking for you to prove TQR is triangle. Did you understand here? Is there any confusion? Clear है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. If you are not having any problem, then we will proceed to the next one. Okay. So see here, sometimes the questions may not be given to you directly to use the criteria. So Here what we are using, angles, sides opposite to the equal angles are equal. That concept we are using here. So even if you, when you see the fifth problem here, fifth problem is diagram is figure is not given. S and T are the points on the sides PQ and QR of the triangle PQR. So S and T are the points on the sides PR and QR. So of triangle PQR. So let us draw the triangle PQR. PQR. Okay. PQR triangle I have drawn. Is it clear to you? Now here, what is given? PR and QR. PR and QR are the sides. See here, S and T are the points on the PR. S is the point PR में है, and T is the point on QR. QR में T is the point. Such that angle P is equals to angle RTS. So here angle P is equals to angle RTS. ऐसा होना है. So angle P is nothing but this angle. Angle RTS is nothing but RTS. ये दोनों को ज्वाइन करो. This angle. ये दोनों angles are equal. Angle P, we see here in this problem, angle P is mentioned because at the point of P there is only one angle is forming. Angle P mention कर सकते हैं. But here angle T का place में two angles form होता है. So that's why three letters compulsory you need to use. Three letters use करना. Okay? समझ में आया here? Now what to show that? Let us write here. Triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. This is required to us to prove in this problem. So RPQ, this bada triangle. So let us, if you are getting confused, you draw the triangle separately. RPQ, RTS, छोटा triangle. ये दोनों triangles equal, similar prove करना है. So this small triangle. Now how can we show RTS? RPQ, R equal here, but RP, P equal to T. हो गया. Two angles, corresponding angles. But here, whenever you see that, naming is very important. Naming is very important. RPQ is because angle P is given to angle RTS. Okay. Angle P equal to angle RTS. Angle R is equals to angle R. But here, whenever P का place में angle R, whenever you write, better you write name as a PRQ. PRQ, because this angle we are taking into consideration. PRQ. Here, whenever you write R, small triangle, SRT. Therefore, directly you can write by AA criterion. You can say that triangle naming is very important. RPQ is similar to triangle RTS, not RST. और ST नहीं है, RTS है. Okay? See, ये problem simple problem है. Just observation is very much important here. Nothing extra is there in this problem. Extra कुछ भी नहीं है. Okay? So coming to the next sixth problem. हाँ, yes.
यहाँ पे इस क्वेश्चन में लास्ट क्वेश्चन बोला था कि अच्छी लेवल की रिगार्डिंग आपने कुछ बोला था मतलब
Your voice is not audible, beta. Your voice is not
audible. Is it audible now?
It is not clear. Okay, you ask me the doubt afterwards. Then you come to this one. Okay. So coming to the sixth problem. So triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. Figure is 6.37 is given to you like this. Okay. A, D, E, and here B, C. So it is given that in this given triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ABE is congruent to ACD. Yes, ABE. Thank you. This ABE is congruent to ACD. ABE is congruent to ACD. 1 minute. So here it is given that, and we need to prove that ADE triangle ADE is similar to ABC. ये छोटा ट्रायंगल बड़ा ट्रायंगल को सिमिलर बोल के प्रूव करना है. So in both the triangles, one angle is common. You need to see like this. In both the triangles, this angle is common. If one angle is equal in both the triangles, any other one angle is equal, then you can say that the two triangles are similar. Or any two sides, corresponding sides should be in proportion. वो भी देखना. So whenever you see the corresponding sides in proportion देख सकते हैं. और angle easy क्या है, angle और एक angle को possibility क्या है, just let us imagine and let us see once. What is a possibility? Just first you oral means diagram को analyze करके check करना है. Just we need to analyze the diagram and check. Okay, so what we have to do here, this angle is equal. Another angle क्या है होना है, तो this angle should be equal to this complete angle, or this angle is equals to this complete angle. So but what is given to us, that we need to take into consider. आपको हमको क्या दे दिया है वो थोड़ा सा ध्यान में रखना. So it is given this one. तो ये BE congruent, ABE is congruent to ACD. Congruent is nothing but triangle sides are also equal. So that is nothing but AB length equal to AC, AB length equal to AC, and BE length equal to CD, BE length equal to CD, and AE length equal to AD. Now here, what are the possible and angles whenever you see that? Okay, the two triangles, whatever it is given to you, I am drawing it separately. आप confuse हो रहे तो ऐसा separate draw करना सही है. This is A, B, E. Okay. When you are analyzing the problem like this only, you are going to get the subject. This is A, C, D. Obviously this. So this angle B will be equals to this angle C. Means here this angle will be equal to this angle we are going to. Angle B equal according to the given. And ABE is given. So this angle here to here angle will be equals to here to here angle. Angle check करना थोड़ा सा मुझे लग रहा है complicated. I can directly explain the problem. So solution means how do we analyze? I am explaining how you need to analyze the any new problem if it comes to in front of you. आपके सामने कुछ भी नया problem आया है, तो how do we analyze it, that I am explaining. Direct में solution चाहिए तो direct explain कर सकता हूँ, but that's not the matter. That's not the way of explanation, I think. So how do you think, how do you approach the answer? ऐसा analyze कर थोड़ा सा, ये इसमें से ये एंगल एंड ये एंगल इक्वल प्रूव करना थोड़ा मुश्किल लगता है. So let us move towards the sides, corresponding sides proportionality. Is it possible to us to prove, ये मिटा दीजिए, just if it is getting confused, is it possible to us to prove this one by this one?
Yes, sir.
What is that? AB AD by AB is equals to AE by AC. ये possible होगा, check करना. From this congruent. So AD by AB, AD is equal to AD. तो AD by AB क्या होगा? From this AD equal, sorry. Either if you are observing properly from here, AB is equals to AC होगा. AB is equals to AC and AD is equals to AE. तो AD का प्लेस में AE रिप्लेस कर दो, कॉन्ग्रुएंट दे दिया है, एंड AB का प्लेस में AC रिप्लेस कर लो, बस हो गया ना. तो एंगल, अनदर एंगल इक्वल प्रूव करने से बेहतर the easiest way is side side and proportion प्रूव कर सकते हैं हम लोग. So since these two are equal, congruent, you can say that these two are congruent, implies that you can say that AD is equals to AE. We will use it in next step. AD is equals to AE and AB is equals to AC. And what is needed to us? These two triangles should be taken in triangle ADE and triangle ABC. These two triangles में इधर AD by AB I am taking. AD by AB is equals to, AD equals to क्या है? AE. AB equal to क्या है? AC. From 1. उधर से मैंने ले लिया है दोनों इक्वल, AD इक्वल टू AE है, AB इक्वल टू AC. And in this triangle angle क्या है? Angle DAE is equals to angle BAC. ये ट्रायंगल में एंगल BAC. Here AD in this triangle, AB in this triangle, AE in this triangle and AC in this triangle. So corresponding sides है ना. Therefore by SAS criterion, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. So the way you need to approach the problem is I am explained to you, so that you can go for the other problems also in easiest way. Other problems भी थोड़ा सा easily आप कर सकते हैं. Okay? Did you understand? Any doubt you are having here?
Yeah.
Is it okay, बेटा?
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
सबको.